The president of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, K. Meghachandra, has said that the Bharat Jodo Nyan Yatra will be launched from Khongjom War Memorial Complex. He said this during a press meet held at Congress Bhawan, BT Road today. The press meet was held attended by CLP leader O. Ibobi, AICC Manipur in charge Girish Chadonkar and many leaders of the party. He further said permission for starting from Hapta Khongjom was applied since January 2nd to the concerned. However, the present government did not allow to launch the yatra from Hapta Khongjom. It is indeed very unfortunate and heartfelt shocking that a peace rally to be launched from Imphal city has been rejected by the authority concerned. He appealed to the people of Manipur to extend help and support for the long march of justice.
Nahauriba Lusingba Siri Rahul Gandhi Jina Asigumba Lusing Biduna Satkadruba Yatra Asida Miam Punamak Yabiu, Hariba Khongjom Jaga Asida Lakviduna, Saruga Biu, Amsung Sarkari Sumba, Luzadaba, Pazadaba Tomayam Singase, Masi Koina, Nuaitaba, Pongdoksari, Parza Singi, right Miam Matpa, Asigi, Nuaitaba, Pongdoksabagulana, Yatra Sigi, Masi, Mapung Pana, Mayam Sahazok Bibiu, Saruga Biu, Haiduna, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na, Miam Punamakta, Paudil Amasung. Miam Punamakta